Growing older is a journey of grace, wisdom, and acceptance. But even in later life, your body continues to deserve the same level of attention, compassion, and care that it always did. Many seniors prioritize general health, hard care, bones, or mobility, but forget that intimate self-care is a vital part of well-being, confidence, and emotional peace. Experts and gynecologists agree that after 60 or 70, neglecting this area of health can quietly affect not only physical comfort but also mood, self-image, and relationships. Let's explore the 7 key reasons why self-care in this area is essential and what truly happens when you ignore it. 1. Hormonal changes matter. As we age, our bodies go through natural transformations. For women, the most significant change occurs after menopause, when hormonal levels, particularly estrogen, begin to decrease. These hormones have been working quietly your whole life to keep many systems functioning smoothly. When they decline, the body reacts in subtle but noticeable ways. Gynecologists explain that this shift can lead to dryness or a feeling of discomfort in intimate areas. Skin and tissues that were once elastic may become more delicate. Without basic self-care routines like gentle moisturizing, hydration, and proper hygiene, these changes can lead to irritation or infections. Maintaining comfort doesn't require complicated routines. Simple steps like staying well hydrated, using non-irritating personal products, and wearing breathable fabrics can help. Many seniors also find that a balanced diet rich in omega-3s and vitamin E helps improve skin texture and internal balance. Ignoring these hormonal changes can also subtly affect mood. When the body feels uncomfortable, it can lead to fatigue or irritability. Taking small, regular steps to maintain comfort reminds you that your body still deserves kindness and attention. Aging gracefully doesn't mean ignoring changes, it means embracing them with informed care. 2. Infections become more common. With age, the immune system becomes more fragile, making the body less capable of fighting off bacteria or fungal infections. Neglecting personal hygiene or skipping regular health checkups can allow small issues to become major ones. For example, even something as simple as wearing non-breathable clothing or using harsh soaps can upset the body's natural balance. This may result in itching, burning, or a general sense of discomfort. These problems can easily be prevented through small daily habits like keeping clean, changing clothes regularly, and using mild, unscented products designed for sensitive skin. Experts also emphasize that personal hygiene routines should be gentle. Overcleaning or using products with strong fragrances can strip away protective barriers, ironically causing more problems than they prevent. Infections or irritation at this age can also take longer to heal. Seniors should not ignore any unusual symptoms or discomfort but should seek guidance early. Regular checkups with a healthcare provider are crucial even after menopause to ensure early detection of any underlying concerns. Self-care in this area isn't only about cleanliness, it's about comfort and prevention. A little attention each day saves a lot of discomfort later. 3. Pelvic health is vital. Just like muscles in your legs and arms, the muscles in your pelvic area need care and maintenance. Over time, they can weaken due to aging, childbirth history, or lack of movement. When these muscles become too weak, issues like incontinence, loss of bladder control, or pelvic heaviness can occur. Pelvic health experts recommend simple exercises, often called pelvic floor or Kegel exercises, that strengthen the internal muscles and improve control. Doing these regularly can make daily life easier and restore confidence. Ignoring pelvic health can lead to challenges that interfere with independence and self-esteem. Some seniors avoid social gatherings or travel due to fear of discomfort or accidents, but this can be managed and even prevented with early care. Gentle physical activity like yoga, walking, and stretching also supports pelvic health by improving circulation. The body responds positively to consistent movement at any age. For men and women alike, pelvic health plays a role in posture, stability, and overall mobility. It's not just about one part of the body, it's about maintaining strength and dignity. 4. Emotional well-being is connected. The mind and body are deeply intertwined. Ignoring intimate self-care doesn't just affect physical comfort, it can quietly influence self-esteem, mood, and emotional balance. Many seniors report feeling embarrassed or hesitant to discuss personal health concerns. This silence often leads to avoidable problems. Experts encourage open conversations with trusted healthcare professionals. Speaking about personal health openly is not shameful, it's wise and empowering. Emotional health after 60 thrives on self-acceptance. When you feel comfortable in your own skin, your confidence grows. Proper self-care is a daily reminder that your body still deserves respect and love. Neglecting comfort or hygiene can cause self-consciousness and even lead to isolation. Seniors who feel uncomfortable often withdraw from social circles, family gatherings, or activities they once enjoyed. Life experts emphasize that taking care of yourself physically enhances emotional stability. It creates a sense of pride, energy, and motivation. Remember, self-care is self-love. It's not about vanity, it's about valuing yourself enough to feel your best, inside and out. 5. Routine checkups save lives. After 60, many people believe they no longer need regular gynecological or health checkups. This is a dangerous misconception. Even after menopause, routine screenings remain essential. Healthcare professionals stress that age does not eliminate risk. In fact, some health conditions, like infections or early signs of cancer, become more likely in later years. The good news: early detection can make all the difference. Routine visits aren't just for when you feel unwell, they are preventive. A short conversation or examination can reveal changes before they become serious. In addition, healthcare visits are an opportunity to ask about supplements, diet, and hygiene tips that are tailored to your needs. Seniors should not hesitate to discuss new symptoms or discomfort. Modern medicine has many simple, non-invasive solutions for maintaining comfort and vitality. Self-neglect can lead to silent health issues, but consistent medical attention provides peace of mind. Taking the initiative to stay informed and proactive is one of the strongest acts of self-respect. 6. Nutrition and hydration support health. What you eat and drink has a profound effect on your body's comfort, including your skin and internal tissues. Gynecologists and nutrition experts agree that hydration and diet are powerful tools for maintaining personal wellness. Water helps every cell in your body function properly, and dehydration can lead to fatigue and dryness. Seniors should aim to drink enough fluids daily, adjusting for medical conditions as advised by their doctors. Nutrition plays a big role too. Foods rich in antioxidants like berries, leafy greens, and nuts support circulation and tissue health. Healthy fats from sources like olive oil, avocados, and fish can help maintain natural balance. Calcium, vitamin D, and magnesium support bone and muscle health, which indirectly improves posture and stability in the pelvic region. On the other hand, too much processed food, sugar, or caffeine can contribute to inflammation and discomfort. Seniors are encouraged to eat whole, natural foods that nourish the body from within. Aging gracefully means feeding your body what it needs to stay strong and resilient. Nutrition is not just about living longer, it's about living better. 7. Comfort is self-care. True self-care in older age isn't about luxury, it's about comfort. It's the simple daily habits that make your body feel at ease and your mind at peace. Choosing the right fabrics, avoiding harsh soaps, and wearing breathable clothing are small acts with big benefits. They prevent irritation and help regulate body temperature, which can fluctuate with age. Rest is also a form of self-care. Seniors often underestimate the power of good sleep and relaxation. When the body is rested, it heals faster, digests better, and maintains energy levels. Emotional comfort matters, too. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you. Laugh often, spend time in nature, and do things that make you feel alive. Many experts believe that self-care is as much about mindset as it is about physical action. Treating yourself with compassion, forgiving your body for its changes, and appreciating its strength all lead to a healthier, happier life. Ignoring self-care often results in discomfort, tension, and unhappiness. About nurturing yourself leads to balance and joy. Final thoughts. Aging is not the end of vitality, it's the beginning of deeper self-awareness. Your body has served you through every stage of life, now it deserves gentle, consistent care in return. Gynecologists and senior life experts agree, ignoring intimate self-care can cause unnecessary discomfort and emotional strain. But when you embrace personal well-being through proper hygiene, nutrition, exercise, and self-compassion, you not only preserve your health but also elevate your spirit. You are never too old to love and care for yourself. Every small act, drinking enough water, taking a walk, or keeping up with health appointments, is a declaration of respect for the life you've lived. So, as you move forward, remember, caring for yourself isn't vanity, it's wisdom. Aging gracefully is about honoring your body, nurturing your mind, and embracing the beauty of self-care at every age. A currency I diaresis sedilla.